The weekly code quiz. What is a table? A table is a data structure used to organize information in rows and columns. Why use a table? With a table, you can easily look up values that make connections between different types of data. Can a table be made accessible? If done properly, then even those with visual impairments can understand tabular data in an HTML table. Are tables responsive? Tables are not automatically responsive, so to properly format a table, the CSS styling works hand in hand with HTML for the table to work across devices. What should you never do with a table? Use a table for layout purposes. Presented by Designers Learn Code.